Did you know there are countries in the world do not appear on map and are not officially recognized by major power? Yet people live there, run their own countries and even have their own currencies. Today I am taking you inside the secret but their hidden nation. There are 195 recognized countries in the world, but beside them there are small, weird and fascinating nations that most people have never heard of. There are often called micronations. They may not be legally recognized, but they have their own currencies, flag and even laws. First on the list, Seaford. A tiny seaport off coast of the UK, declared an independent country in 1967 by one day. It has its own flags, passport and even a small unofficial governments. Some private data centers have been set up here. Second countries, a tiny nation inside the USA covering just 38 k's. Its own currency, Velora. They celebrate creatures there every year. The president even hold international tournament for funds. Third country started as an art project in Sweden. Someone occupied the land and declared it a country. It has its own flag and constitution, not officially recognized but millions participate online. Fourth country, a tiny principality in Australia, founded in 1970 by a farmer who declared himself a prince. They had their own currencies, postage stamp and flag. It officially ended in 2020. There are dozens of these tiny countries in the world, each with its own story, laws and people. These nations are show us that government and state are not just limited to big map. They can be creative, unexpected and unique. If you want, I can make another video showing 10 more secret countries in the world that you won't believe exist. If you ever heard of a hidden country like this, comment below.